Hello all, this is a new old burner that I've got here on my forge. I purchased this about 5 years ago as a backup, and recently my forge has been acting up and I changed it out and now it's working more smoothly. However, you can see the box here is really damaged, so it's about time for me to probably make a new forge body. This forge is a Diamondback Ironworks forge, and it's just been a beast. I've been using it for 12 years almost daily. So this is the old burner, and like I said, I've been using this for 12 years without a hiccup. So I highly recommend Diamondback Ironworks. This is an unsolicited recommendation. This burner is very straightforward, but very well made. So I can pinpoint the problem in 3 potential areas. Number 1 is maybe the burner tube, which has become rusted on the inside, is not very smooth, and so the gas-oxygen mixture is not flowing very smoothly. But more likely, I think the problem is here somewhere. I think this valve may be broken. It's not opening properly, so I'm going to replace that. But also this little tube with the tiny orifice where the gas shoots out of, I think that's become enlarged over time, and so that may be what's causing the problem. I've got a replacement tube here that's stainless steel, and so I've just got to get a hole drilled at the proper size. So a forge build is in the works, at the very least a new firebox, so look out for that upcoming. On to today's project. I've got this piece of 1.25" by about 1.5" long piece of round, and I'd like to turn it into a sort of a cup, like a candle cup, kind of a vessel. I'm going to approach this in a very straightforward manner. Just hammer in that straight punch. I keep thinking this piece of pipe might come in handy. We'll see. I've noticed with this new burner that I could dial down the pressure but get the same results. So it's obviously an improvement, and the old one was obviously experiencing some sort of issue. So for the first heat I start slow to just get lined up properly, but honestly this is going to be a slog of just doing this repeatedly until I get to the proper depth. Some people may say, well, why don't you just drill a big hole? Well, this is mainly a blacksmithing channel. Just that simple. I need to give a shout out to my man Stephen Watkins for his latest Super Thanks donation, and also need to recognize Harry Jr. for becoming my newest Patreon supporter. May your forge fires burn bright, and may your hammers feel light. Thanks a lot, fellas. I really like my Bonehead approved skull mark here, though it's not very easy to get a clean imprint. This is just a little too average looking. Needs a little something extra. I'm in full freestyle mode at this point. I think if I splay that top out a little bit, it'll give it a bit of flair. It looks like a castle tower, castle Bonehead skull. If this had a base, that would really make this slick. Maybe some sort of spiral that it could be cradled in. I'll save that for another video. I do like this piece a lot. It just has a really nice feel, so I give it a clear coat. So there you have it. Guaranteed that someone else will take this to another level, and I'd be happy to see any pics if you have them. Thank you to all, and I'll catch you guys next time.